Hello, children. Now that we have learned the letter A, B, C, it's time we move on and learn the next letter, the fourth letter, that is the letter D. One day, there was a little girl who was as intelligent as you all, and her name was D, 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 Daisy. Daisy used to love playing with her toys, and every day she would go in her room, take her box filled with toys out, and used to play with them. One day, when Mama saw Daisy play with her toys, she said, Daisy, why don't we play a game and study together? Oh, Mama, is that really possible? Can we both play and study in one go? She said, Of course. Tell me, Daisy, which is the last letter that your teacher taught you in school? She said, Oh, yes, Mama. I know. I learnt the letter D. And the letter D makes the sound D, D, D. Okay, Daisy. So that's the game. From your toy box, I want you to take all the toys out that begin with the letter D and make the sound D, D, D. Also, why don't you tell me something about them? That looks like fun, Mama. Let's do this. So she took the first toy out of the box, and that was the drum. She said, Mama, look, this is a drum. It has two sticks, and when we beat it, it makes a fun sound. D, D, drum. Then she took a dog out of the box and she said, Mama, the dog is my favorite pet. The next toy that she took out from her box was the dolphin. She said, Look, that's a dolphin. The dolphin loves to swim in the water and it is a very friendly fish. Next was the deer. She said, Mama, this is a deer which lives in the forest and it has horns on its head. Wow, Daisy, you are a smart baby. Show me what's next. It's a doll, my favorite toy. And this doll is very special because Daddy had got it for me. Look, this is what you wear on your ring, Mama. It's a diamond. Diamond. I know how much you love your diamonds. And the last toy I can see is quack, 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 quack. The duck. Wow, Mama. This was a fun game. Thank you so much. I really enjoyed it. So, children, there are a lot of words that begin with the letter D, and the letter D makes the sound D, D, D. Let's look at some of these. D, duck. D, dice. D, diamond. D, dinosaur. D, drum. Drum. D, dog. D, deer. D, dolphin. D, doll. These are some of the letter friends of letter D. Writing D is also super duper easy. One standing line and a big curve. One standing line and a big curve. One standing line and a big curve gives us capitals D. And D says D. And D says D. This is how we write capital D or the Mama D or the uppercase D. Now let's learn how to write the small d or the lowercase d. One small curve and then a standing line. One small curve and then a standing line. One small curve and then a standing line gives us small d. And D says d d d. And D says d d d. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned about the letter D, the sounds of letter D, how we write letter D, and the letter friends of letter D. Thank you.